Hi, my name is Victoria and I run an online sticker, button, and keychain shop. Our name is Stick and Share and we have our own website, stickandshare.com, but we also have an Etsy. You can find us just searching Stick and Share. So in this video, I originally was going to show all of our products that we have, but the issue is I've actually been using a lot of our products in my planner and my bullet journal to show on TikTok, like what we have and stuff. So I don't really have all of my sticker sheets right now, but I'm going to show you guys from step A to step Z how you can make your own Kiss Cut sticker sheets. Before I get started in showing you guys how to make your very own Kiss Cut stickers, I'm going to show you what Kiss Cut stickers are versus die cut stickers, and also just some of the products that we have right now in our shop. If you are interested in buying any of them, that would be super cool and I would really appreciate that. So first, Kiss Cut stickers are stickers that are on sticker sheets, which I'm sure you've seen before. You've probably had sticker books when you were a little kid, or you've seen them in Michael's or Joann's or any other craft store or Target, honestly. So typically they'll look something like this. It's just a sheet of stickers, and these are our Shining Stars sticker sheets that I use a lot on my bullet journal. If you want to check that out. Basically, they're just stickers that don't cut all the way through to the back. So they're just easy peel. Just like that. I love to use them on my planners or my bullet journals, or honestly anywhere. Right now I'm sticking it to my bullet journal because I don't know what else to do with it right now. Die cut stickers typically look like this. They're basically just one sticker and you can peel them, just a regular sticker. I'm sure you know what a sticker is, but that's the difference between if you see a product say Kiss Cut or die cut. So while I'm here, I just wanted to show you guys, if you are Animal Crossing fans, fanatics, or just game players, these are our Animal Crossing sticker sets. So this one specifically comes with a few villagers. I haven't made others yet because the demand wasn't really high enough, but if you have any suggestions of who you personally would purchase, please leave it down below. I would love to see. So we have Stitches, Raymond, a cute little Sherb, a little Audie, Love, this one, Meringue, and Marina. And these are just matte die cut stickers and I love them so much. They're super cute. And they're also waterproof, so put them on your Hydro Flask, water bottle, or whatever you want to put them on. I typically put them on my laptop actually, or again, as I've said so many times, my bullet journal. Then in this set specifically, we have like the special characters. So Isabel, Blathers, Celeste, cute little Daisy May, love her, cute little Mabel sticker, and then of course we have Tom Nook himself. And then the next thing that I have that I personally really like are these cute little Daisy May acrylic charms. They're keychains, so you just put them on your keys, you could put them on backpacks, you could put them on anything really, but it's just super cute. They're kind of thick, as you can see, but they're about the size of like 2 quarters put together. And then for my Avatar fans, we have an Avatar sticker pack. Avatar sticker pack only comes with 3 characters right now. I'm thinking that I'll add more eventually, just depending on demand and what people want to see, And lastly, for my Avatar fans, element buttons are actually our most popular product right now. I've actually sold a lot of these, which is really cool. I really like them, and they can go on your backpacks, tote bags, fanny packs, denim jackets, anything. And I make the backing cards myself, and I'm just really happy with this product. So check these out. And now that we got that out of the way, I'm going to show you guys how to make your very own Kiss Cut stickers. So please like, comment, and subscribe. And also comment down below if you have a small business on Etsy, Redbubble, or just your own website. I would love to check it out, and maybe we can become sticker friends. That would be super cool. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope it's super helpful for you guys.
So you're going to begin on your Procreate application, which you can get on the iPad. I have an iPad Pro 11-inch. And you're going to select all your designs that you want to make into stickers and export them in PNG format to your computer. I use a MacBook Pro 15-inch, but it doesn't matter what computer you have. Then you're going to want to put your background sheets into the Cricut design application. So by background sheets, I mean the designs you put behind your stickers, so it'll be the sheet of the sticker sheet. So you're going to want to duplicate your background sheet multiple times. I do twice, but if you want to be safe, you could do 3 to 4 times. And then you want to put it all together nice and neat. And then as you can see, I'm attaching everything at the bottom. So once everything is attached, as you can see, they're stuck together, and you'll be able to print as one sheet. So then we're going to make it. And now I'm sending everything to my printer. When I send things to my printer, I have a Canon printer. I'm not exactly sure the make, but you're going to want to select the system dialog and unselect add bleed. And when you select system dialog, this little screen pops up, and I have designed a sticker glossy option and sticker matte option. So for my sticker sheets, I use sticker glossy, which will print as if it's on glossy photo paper, which just makes the colors more vibrant and it just looks a lot better. So here everything is printing out of my printer. I keep it below my desk just for space reasons. I don't really like it there that much, but whatever. And then you're going to want to select sticky note as your custom material and use the default option. The sticky note will allow you to get a nice kiss cut and not a die cut on your sheet. So once you put everything on your mat, you're going to want to upload it into your Cricut. And you just press the little buttons to load your mat, and then you press the button for it to start cutting, and it will begin to scan your sheet, and then it will start to cut. It does everything itself. It's very nice, and it makes everything a lot easier. Done cutting, I will pull off my sheet from the mat. This specific mat that I have had for a while, so it's not very sticky anymore. But typically if it is sticky, you'll want to pull back the mat and not the photo paper so that you do not bend your paper. And then I take my cutting ruler. I'm not exactly sure what this is called, but I love it because it cuts exact straight lines. So I'm basically just lining up the cut lines that the Cricut has already made with my ruler cutter, and I'm slicing right down those lines to create a nice straight line for our sticker sheet. Typically, if you add multiple backgrounds, so you'll duplicate it 3 to 4 times instead, like I showed you earlier, you can just pop out these sticker sheets of the paper. But I did find that sometimes when I did that, my papers would get stuck to my mat, and then I would have a hard time peeling the sheets, and the sheets would rip. So I didn't like that. Here is my corner cutter. I got this off of Amazon. I really wanted round corners for my sheets, and I wasn't too sure how to do that in Cricut, so I just popped them out myself with this. It was fairly cheap, and I honestly really like doing it. I like watching them pop out. but sometimes they get stuck and I'll have to do it like 2 times or 3 times, and that irritates me. But I like the look of the rounded corners a lot better than the sharp corners. And here are our final products. I hope you really enjoyed this video and I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to leave down below your small business's name and I would love to check you out. And I hope you check mine out too. Have a good day, guys!